few hours of daylight for things to warm up a little bit more. So this is the picture out there in Gwynedd this afternoon. Beautiful blue skies, long spells of sunshine. Some of us have got a little bit more cloud than this, but yes, the hottest temperature so far this year was way back in June, 32.2 Celsius. Today we are expecting temperatures to get around about 32. So we've had to wait a while, haven't we, from June to September to see the heat returning. But certainly not the picture across all of Europe, because we've got Storm Daniel, which has brought really torrential rain across parts of Greece over the past couple of days. We've had about 2 years worth of rainfall that we'd likely to see in Athens in just 24 hours there. But further north, it's high pressure that's dominating our weather. And with that combination of high pressure for us and low pressure further south across Europe, in both Greece and out close to Spain as well, that is going to draw in these southerly winds. So the winds coming up from North Africa, bringing us the heat, the humidity, and also a fair amount of Saharan dust in the sky as well. Now, the satellite image shows that we had some cloud towards the east, which is gradually burning back towards the coast. So for most of us, long spells of blue sky and sunshine, just a few areas of low cloud just drifting around this afternoon, particularly through parts of Aberdeenshire, perhaps around some Irish Sea coasts as well. But these are the sorts of temperatures we're seeing out there, mid to high 20s widely, perhaps 31, 32 down towards the southeast. A little bit cooler where you keep the low cloud across the east of Scotland. Now, through this evening and tonight, subtle changes. We could just see a few heavy showers, perhaps the odd rumble of thunder moving in, perhaps the southwest of England, Wales, Isle of Man, for instance. You might hear the odd thunderstorm overnight, but for most of us, a little bit of mist and fog developing, but again, humid overnight. So for some of us, Plymouth, for instance, at 20 degrees overnight could be a tropical feeling night, mid-teens for most of us. Similar day to today, tomorrow. Again, we do it all again. We've got some low cloud, mist and murk around some of those North Sea coasts and perhaps through the Irish Sea as well, with a threat of an isolated heavy shower or thunderstorm. But temperatures tomorrow pretty similar to today, in fact. Mid-high 20s for most of us, but we could well see another day of 30 degrees or over. So that'll be the 5th day of the heat wave continuing. Into Friday, not much change. Once again, we've got a little bit of low cloud and sea fog around those North Sea coasts. Perhaps an odd isolated shower in the west, but most of us hot, dry and sunny once again. So this heat wave really continuing. High 20s, low 30s once again. Subtle changes then as we look towards the weekend, and we'll start to see low pressure just trying to throw a few showers into Northern Ireland and Scotland. By the time we get to Monday, low pressure just spreads a bit further south and east as well. So certainly the next few days, some strong sunshine, hazy sunshine with that Saharan dust around, but it is going to be hot, certainly until around about Sunday in the south at least. Then things do turn eventually cooler and more unsettled as we head through the course of next week. Ben.